y'all, it's Kip here, Thousand Roots, and welcome to another yummy Sunday. I'm going to be making kebabs, beef kebabs tonight. The beef is from our own cows that we raised on our fields here on the homestead. And one of the specialties that I've been working on since I've been doing Yummy Sunday now for a few months is this sauce, and it's a teriyaki sauce. So let me show you what I use to make this teriyaki sauce. And this teriyaki sauce, by all accounts, is really good. I didn't come up with the idea really. What I did was I looked on teriyaki, I looked at the ingredients, you know, teriyaki in the store, the organic teriyaki. I looked at the ingredients, then I just copied that basically with our own little, you know, mixture. So let me show you how I make the teriyaki sauce. The main ingredient is coconut aminos. The next one is liquid aminos, the Bragg's liquid aminos. Then the next heaviest thing I do powder-wise is onion powder. Then the next thing, which is a medium as far as amount that I use, garlic, and this is all to taste, of course. Garlic, then a little bit lighter on the ginger, a dash of basil, then a little bit less than medium rosemary powder. So take all that, mix it together really well until the powders are really good and soaked or they've disappeared. Then it's good to go. And I'll show you how I use it on the foods. Okay, so this was a roast that we cut up, trimmed everything off, all the fat and the silver skin, and then cubed it. So this is cubed roast from one of our cows. Now take the teriyaki sauce. Now I'm going to put just enough on this to kind of marinate it. But what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to pre-cook the meat in the oven. So that's what we're going to do here. And once the meat is pretty well done, I'll pull it out and then put it on the kebabs and then cook the kebabs, everything together, and I'll be brushing the teriyaki sauce over it. So for the kebabs, we've got bell pepper, zucchini, onion, pineapple, and artichoke hearts. That's what's going to go on the shish kebabs.
I see a thumbs up back here. You liking that fan? Hi. Feels so good. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the cubed beef, and I actually had it up to 475 for a time. Then I turned it down to 325 and let it kind of simmer at 325. I didn't want it to cook 100% all the way, but most of the way, and it looks like
pretty good.
We pretty much accomplished that. Okay, so the reason I pre-cooked this and pour it off is to get rid of all the blood. Put them sideways, just like Critter did right there. Yeah. And now I'm basting them with the teriyaki sauce. Getting the teriyaki sauce on everything. Alright, here we go. What do we have here? We have 3 layers. 3 layers of shish kebabs. Oh yeah. Time to put them in. What else do we have cooking, Esther Pie?
Bacon and peas.
Bacon and peas. And isn't it beans from the garden?
Yep, I think so.
Yep, okay. Alright. Normally I would prefer barbecuing shish kebabs, but I'm going to try it in the oven. See how it goes. Okay, so here's the other side. It's cooking up right now. We got peas and pole beans and onions from the garden. Those peas, I'm going to be adding organic turkey bacon to those. So, see you when this is all coming together.
Thanks for this food that Mommy and Dad made for our family. Thanks for this land, for the Kellogg, and thank you for Sunday. Thank you for everything. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Alright, so we ran into a little bit of a problem. Nobody wants the video because everybody wants to eat. They're loving it so much. Oh, Josh. I said, Esther Pie, would you video it? What'd you say?
I said, I want to eat.
Carrie, what you got to say about these shish kebabs?
I love them.
Mm-hmm.
And I love them.
What do you say, Biddleboo?
I love them.
Do you? What do you say, Nathan? Normally you don't like onion, huh? Didn't your mama teach you not to talk with your mouth full, boy?
Probably.
I just finished off a great meal of shish kebabs that my dad made, and this is actually the first time I can really remember having shish kebabs, so that's cool. And the rest of the family is currently waiting on me for fireworks. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog. We pray blessings over you and yours, and whatever you do it with your whole heart. Alright, where's the next one? I'm ready to light it.